So one of the projects recently that we worked on, our client had just been split. So they sold part of their business. And with the part that went in the other direction from where we were, they took an application that we were required to have as well. And it reported on the different utility usage. And it gave hourly updates, daily updates. Users could log in from inside the company. So internal users and external users could log in to see their business usage. We, on our side, had no knowledge of how this application worked at all. Like it was never, there was no documentation, there was not a whole lot of training. And so when we were given that application for us to use on our side, we had to really dig in and learn what it's doing and how it works. So the problems we were having is we have APIs and jobs and processes that pull data from many, many different places. So we get like daily weather, we'll get gas usage, we'll get gas meters, we'll get just all sorts of things like that. Learning how all that worked, in any sort of application is going to be hard, but Apex, it's easy because it's easy to trace. It's easy to kind of see where it's coming from. And once we could see where it's coming from, we could talk to those people and kind of understand what it was. And as we started to break away from that other company, we were able to make the changes to that application that we needed to make it function and work again. And currently it's working perfectly. Yeah, we have stuff that we are adding, stuff that we're supporting. And now that they have been sold and are moving to another company, we are actively looking at what we need to move to the new company, how we're going to do it. We're planning it. Right now we're in planning stages, and in the next month or two, we're going to start actually moving applications.